So I recently learned this from Peter McKinnon's YouTube channel, but I wanted to go through this really quickly, and it's going to really change the way you do audio. So I want to start a first sequence clip. So I copy my template and just allow it to save. And then I will drag in all my content. I've already chosen a song for this to create this automatic loop to extend the song out from what its original version length is to something much longer without having to cut, splice, and do all that kind of stuff. So you drag your song into your timeline, and then you go up to edit and edit in Adobe Audition and edit your sequence. So once you do that, if you don't have the latest version, this little thing's going to pop up, say okay, and then go ahead and tell it where you want to save the project. Audition's going to open up automatically, and it drops it into a sequence there. So the first thing you want to do is go to File, New, Multi-Track Session. Call this whatever you want. I call it sound loop. And then drag the WAV file down into that track. Select the audio and go to, you can, if you don't see it, go to type remix and it'll tell you where that actually is. So enable remix. That'll bring up this panel called properties, and in that panel is a drop down called remix. So now in the target duration, you can set that to a new duration, something longer than 2 minutes. I'm going to change it to 6 minutes. And then just click outside the box, and it will analyze that song and actually extend it to a full 6 minutes and whatever seconds that you created. And what it does is it cuts it and re-loops it back in and basically cleans it all up for you, so you don't have to do any of that, and it creates one file. So here it sounds like this. So you can see that's really clean transition, which is awesome. You don't have to do anything, creates one file, and then you want to export that back out to Premiere Pro, export to Adobe Premiere Pro, save that file, tell you where you want to put it, put it in my clips, and it's going to ask you if you want to bring it in on a new track. I just say yes. Brings in that new song that's already cut, already blended for you, ready to go. So you can just delete out your old song, and now you've got your new song that you can cut to. So that is a super simple way, and can't thank Peter McKinnon enough for sharing that information.